Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the movement type and clearing the work area. That saves mistakes later. First, remove the strap or bracelet with a spring bar tool so you can lay the watch flat. Then, open the case back with the matching opener, case knife, jacksaw, or torque wrench, depending on the back. Once done, place screws and parts into labeled compartments. Make sure to work under good light and a loupe so you can see small parts clearly. You now remove the stem, locate the small release screw or lever and depress gently while pulling the crown out. This unseats the movement. Next, protect the dial, place a dust-free pad under the case, and use plastic tweezers to lift the movement from its seat. Once free, support the dial edge so hands do not bend. Take photos of hand and dial alignment for reassembly. This makes seating the new movement precise and repeatable. You install the replacement movement by aligning the dial feet into their slots and seating the movement squarely, then tighten retention screws gently. Reinsert the stem while watching for smooth engagement and reinstall hands with a hand press, confirming clearance and no rubbing. Once sealed, perform a basic function check, wind, set time, and observe the seconds and date change. If issues appear, try reseating the stem or checking hand alignment. One key troubleshooting tip: a bent hand is the most common cause of stoppage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.